I believe that they're interested in our biology and who we are and all that kind of thing, and I think they're generally interested in us as a race, but I think we're way below them in terms of everything. We were stalked by nutters with death threats. First people I recall seeing it was Chinese. And their instant response was,
"Seen it before."
You've got the same the Americans have got.
Yeah.
I think they've been coming here for thousands of years. I think they were involved with building the pyramids. I think they were involved with the Greeks, the Romans, all the major civilizations helping them. I believe they're involved today with governments. They come here all the time, they observe us all the time, and I think the governments are fully aware of their existence and are in league with them in many ways. We're headed to something, and I don't know what it is, but it's not good. Something inside moving around that's definitely not human. Whether the public can handle it or not, that's another story entirely.